So this is the Fibonacci sequence, and it's pretty simple. You're going to start with a 0 and a 1, and then you're going to keep adding the last two numbers until you get the next one. Eventually, you're going to have a sequence that looks a little bit like this. Simple, right? But here's where it gets interesting. We're going to follow this sequence with squares. We're going to start with two squares, both of length 1. We can't have a square of length 0 for obvious reasons. So let's put these two squares side by side and add another square. The length of this square is going to be the length of the last two combined. And we're going to keep this pattern for, let's say, 4 or 5 squares. Then we're going to add a curve. This time we're going to start from the smallest square. The radius of this curve has to be the length of each square. And we're going to draw it in the same direction, starting from the smallest square. But when you draw out that curve, you're going to get a spiral. Now this pattern looks oddly similar to the design on a nautilus shell, but it appears in a lot of other places too, like in the arrangement of sunflower seeds, pine cones, pineapples, and even in the way leaves grow around a stem. It's also been observed in hurricanes and even in the arms of some galaxies. It's simple mathematics really, but somehow this same pattern keeps appearing in the unlikeliest of places. Now it might just be an elaborate cosmic prank, or visible evidence of intelligent design behind our universe. But let me know what you think. Subscribe for more.